Hello friend, today I am going to tell you an amazing trick in Excel. So what I have to do? I have to do some of alternate column. Like if I want to total only big pack, so I have to just uh, put a formula in a manual basis like this. So if I put the formula, so I will spend lot of time, and the concern is that it's a very difficult to put a manual formula because it's a higher chances to occurs error. So what I have to do? So now I am just typing a simple formula for calculating this in a seconds. So how to do that? Just select upper row, big pack and small pack, and give a name like SKUs. Enter. You can put any name. This is the optional. You can put your name. You can put your school name. Any name you have to put. And I just put SKUs only. Okay. Now what you have to do? Just put a formula sum if. And now you have to select a range. So what is the range? Range is a SKUs. Okay. And then put a comma and give the criteria. So what is the criteria? The criteria is D4 because I have to, sum only big pack. And you can put dollar before 4. Now you have to put comma and just give a sum range. The sum range is F5 to BO5, and then close the bracket, hit enter, and I think this name is different from this. Let's see. Just backspace, enter, and now you can see that the total has been calculated. Now you just drag this into the right column and just drag down. Now you can see the all the total has been calculated. Thank you everyone. If you want to look for advanced Excel classes, you can check it out mukulash.com and book your trial only 99 rupees. Thank you everyone.